She did not come from a background of fame, yet there was a quiet intensity about her that audiences immediately felt. With a natural blend of elegance, strength, and commanding screen presence, Özge Törer didn't simply enter Turkish television. She stepped into it with purpose, embodying one of history's most respected figures and transforming a single opportunity into a defining career breakthrough. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on August 16, 1998, in Istanbul, Turkey, Özge Törer's story began far from the scale of epic historical productions. She pursued formal education in the arts at Muğla Koçman University, where she studied performing arts and immersed herself in theater. Those academic years became the foundation of her craft, sharpening her emotional expression, discipline, and ability to fully inhabit complex characters. Her professional breakthrough came when she was cast as Bala Hatun in the historical drama Kuruluş Osman. Taking on a character rooted in history required more than performance. It demanded cultural awareness, emotional restraint, and quiet strength. The series quickly expanded beyond Turkey, reaching international audiences and establishing Özge as a recognizable face in global historical television. Instead of treating the role as a temporary spotlight, she approached it with long-term dedication. Her portrayal balanced grace with resilience, spirituality with determination, earning appreciation from viewers who admired the depth she brought to a historically significant figure. The role did not just introduce her to fame, it positioned her as a leading presence within the genre. By 2026, Özge Törer is regarded as one of the promising young actresses in Turkish historical drama. Producers recognize her consistency, audiences connect with her composed authenticity, and industry observers note her steady growth. Her career path reflects patience and selectivity rather than rapid overexposure. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects balance and refinement. She maintains a structured routine that supports both physical endurance and emotional focus, especially important for the demanding schedules of period productions. She presents herself with understated elegance, favoring appearances that align with her calm and polished public image. Her fashion choices mirror her personality, graceful yet confident. Whether attending premieres or formal events, she gravitates toward clean silhouettes and timeless styling, reinforcing a brand built on poise rather than extravagance. Although public interest in her private life has grown alongside her fame, she keeps personal matters discreet, consistently allowing her professional work to remain the central narrative. Within the industry, she is described as focused, respectful, and committed to fully understanding the emotional layers of her roles. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects consistent earnings from long-running television success, endorsements, and brand collaborations. More importantly, she has built credibility early in her career, positioning herself for longevity rather than momentary popularity. What distinguishes Özge most is composure. From her debut to sustained recognition, she carries maturity beyond her years. Her journey is defined by careful growth, cultural representation, and quiet ambition. Özge Törer's rise reflects intention rather than accident. From university stages to international screens, her path shows discipline, patience, and evolving artistry. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a refined symbol of modern Turkish historical drama, grounded, elegant, and steadily ascending. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. She did not come from a background of fame, yet there was a quiet confidence about her that made her presence impossible to overlook. With a natural balance of elegance, emotional restraint, and strong screen awareness, Hazal Subaşı didn't rush into Turkish entertainment. She built her place carefully, turning discipline and intention into a steadily rising acting career. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on May 2, 1996, in Izmir, Turkey, Hazal Subaşı's journey began far from the familiar paths of acting families or industry privilege. From an early age, she stood out for her composure and presence rather than performance alone. Her first major public recognition came in 2015 when she won Miss Turkey Supranational, a title that brought visibility, but also expectations. Instead of relying on that moment, Hazal made a deliberate decision to pursue acting seriously, enrolling in professional training and focusing on building real skill behind the camera. Her transition into acting marked a defining shift. Early television appearances allowed her to learn the rhythm of sets and storytelling, but her career gained real momentum with Bir Umut Yeter, where she displayed emotional control and sincerity. Broader recognition followed with her role as Zara in the hit series Kükür, a performance that placed her within one of Turkish television's most intense narratives. Surrounded by powerful characters, Hazal's restrained and grounded portrayal stood out, proving she could hold emotional weight without exaggeration. Rather than settling into a single image, Hazal consciously expanded her range. She delivered layered performances in projects such as Kasaba Doktoru and Dizi, taking on characters shaped by hardship, moral conflict, and inner struggle. Each role reflected growth, revealing an actress more interested in depth than repetition. By 2026, Hazal Subaşı is regarded as a dependable and evolving lead actress. Directors value her discipline and adaptability. Audiences connect with her authenticity, and critics acknowledge her steady improvement across genres. Her career choices show patience, balance, and an understanding that longevity matters more than short-lived visibility. Off-screen, her lifestyle reflects control and intention. She maintains a structured routine, prioritizing physical health and mental clarity while avoiding unnecessary overexposure. Her public presence remains composed, allowing her work to speak louder than constant visibility. Her fashion sense mirrors that same refinement. Hazal is known for clean, elegant silhouettes and understated statement pieces, moving effortlessly between classic looks and modern sophistication. Whether on red carpets or in daily life, her style feels controlled, confident, and authentic. While her personal life has occasionally attracted attention, she remains selective about what she shares. She consistently redirects focus toward her professional growth and creative direction. Within the industry, she is often described as focused, respectful, and deeply committed to understanding her characters beyond surface level. As of 2026, her estimated net worth reflects consistent work across television, digital platforms, and brand collaborations. More than financial success, she has built credibility through careful decisions and sustained effort rather than rapid exposure. What many fans find striking is her inner depth. Hazal values self-awareness, emotional intelligence, and script authenticity. She evaluates roles for psychological truth, allowing that quiet intensity to shape her performances naturally. Hazal Subaşı's journey is defined by steady evolution. From beauty titleholder to serious actress, from supporting roles to emotionally complex leads, her rise reflects patience, discipline, and intentional growth. As she continues forward in 2026, she stands as a symbol of modern Turkish stardom, composed, thoughtful, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.